Hello, everybody. Just a quick note, it's time to get essay number 1 ready to go. Rough draft is due on Monday. I'm here to wreck your Friday. So there's that. I just wanted to guide you along here. See, we did week 1, week 2, and now we're on week 3. So make sure that you take a look at the assignment. And of course, you've probably looked at it already, but here it is. You know, its glory should not be any kind of surprise. Here it says the directions. I just want you to know that I also copied and pasted them on the assignment itself, so you could not escape in any way. So anyway, but one of the options is you can just submit a couple of paragraphs. So Monday we'll meet, we'll talk about it. If you have any questions or a passage that we would look at together, remember we're going to be able to share your screen. So there's that. As our technological prowess increases, we'll be good to go. Take a look at this. This is a student essay. So if you're wondering, what does it look like? How does it sound? What's going on? Make sure you read this. This is Katie B. She was kind of a yoga girl and real enthusiastic, and you can kind of see her, feel her personality through the essay, and especially in the introduction, but she's in there throughout. So I just want you to see that there's a bit of artistry involved here. It's not just some sort of cold endeavor. This other example is a different tone. So you can see here that the personalities of the writers come out. They're following the academic conventions. Here's a transitional sentence that you begin a single point analysis. So just remember, you got to do all the things we've talked about, the paragraphs that you've practiced. You've gotten some feedback, and to tell you the truth, I can say, well, it's falling short here, you're not joining sentences, or, you know, it needs specifics. I can say these things to you, but it's kind of a matter of you taking it upon yourself to look at the samples, to get some feedback from people near you that will help you really get it. So it's something interesting to read, and it makes sense, and it's specific. There's a lot of things I'll say to you frequently to students. I'll be saying logical sequence. One thing can't just be next to another. It has to be linguistically tied. Sometimes it's tied in your mind, but it isn't on the page. So we have to remember that we don't go out into the world with our essays. All right, so yes, I'm just showing you another student sample, and I just wanted to let you know that if we're here on Canvas, which you are a pro at now, make sure you realize that, okay, there's the home page, yada, 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 you got the Zoom link, and then you see these instructor, who cares? Just kidding. Course Q&A, we're not really doing that, but here is the key. Learning modules has everything you need. This is what happened in the beginning. These are the resource guides. You might still want to look at how to submit a Google Doc. Essay rubric, the grading criteria, MLA basics. I'm getting a little gummed up. What does it mean? And then guidelines for online discussion, that's something else. Anyway, reading schedule, that's week 1, 2, and then here we are in week 3. So these are all the things you're going to have to do. So if I were you, I'd look at the whole week and kind of go, huh. All right, so I'm ruining your Friday because I can. No, because you may not have realized, you may have thought there was just a succession of these, you know, 1 paragraph assignments, but no, that would be too good to be true. You have to write the whole daggone paper. Actually, you can submit just a couple paragraphs, and we'll talk on Monday, and we will answer your questions. We can, again, share the screen. You can share your desktop, so be ready on Monday with a window open where you could go right to the place where you have a question. Uh-oh.